What's up everybody, welcome back to this channel. I am your host Justin Colby and I talk all things business, real estate, and entrepreneurship. And on this video we are going to talk GameStop, we are going to talk Reddit, we are going to talk cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, and lastly Mr. Elon Musk. Make sure to stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. If you have been sleeping under a rock, then I'm sorry for you. But if you haven't, then you have heard all this noise about what a social media platform, Reddit, did to a store, or specifically a stock called GameStop. GME is the actual ticker. GameStop, which had been shorted by plenty of hedge funds, actually went through the roof because of this social media app on Reddit. The interesting thing about this is if you actually follow the Wolf of Wall Street, you have watched him actually declare what Reddit did by banding together individuals that came together, not with complete malintent, but they banded together, and really that is collusion. And that can get to be in a very difficult place according to the SEC. Now, this is why Robinhood, which is the main platform that was selling and shorting and that people were investing in GameStop stock, this is why they actually shut down the trades of GameStop, because they didn't want to get in trouble. They were the platform that all these transactions were going on, and they could actually get in massive trouble just by being the broker that these transactions are traded through. So again, this is probably the most disruptive thing that I have seen. Now, I'm not, hyper invested in the stock market by any stretch, although I am invested in the stock market. And with this video, hopefully I can impress upon you how I invest and why this, while entertaining for me to watch, really didn't move my needle at all. As a matter of fact, GameStop stock actually ended today, as I shoot this recording, down 30%. So it was inevitable that the fundamentals of the stock were not true to see such a skyrocketing of valuation, and so it will get back adjusted to where it should have been. However, the damage has been done. These hedge funds, these big businesses who were doing all these shortings of this stock have already been hurt. They've already lost their money, right? And so it is mind-boggling to me that social media is now playing a big role in big business and really hurting the big guy, which, listen, I'm not the big guy, right? I want to be able to, win myself, but it is kind of nice to see the small guys, the Davids versus the Goliath, kind of have a win under their belt. Now, I want to bring up something that I find to be pretty darn funny, which is Mr. Elon Musk, someone who I invest in. If you want to know a little bit more about my investing strategy, this is what I'm trying to help you with. I actually bet on the jockey, not the horse. So I bet on Elon Musk. Most of my investments in the stock market are actually in Tesla, and I would hope at someday that Tesla explodes the same way GameStop was or did, and I actually do believe that to be true. But one of the most recent findings is Elon Musk grills and roasts the CEO of Robinhood publicly on the app Clubhouse. Now, I didn't hear it. I wasn't there. I wasn't in the room on Clubhouse, but what I can tell you is I'm continuing to bet on the jockey of Elon Musk, and it has continued to pay off and has been incredibly entertaining. Now, while speaking about Elon Musk and staying on the Elon Musk thread of topic, Elon actually made plenty of tweets regarding Dogecoin. He was in full support of Dogecoin, and for those of you that don't know what Dogecoin is, it is a cryptocurrency actually invented as partly as a joke. Now, it actually has some legs to stand on, and there has been a huge buzz behind Dogecoin. Dogecoin, which you can buy on Kraken and other cryptocurrency platforms, had a massive rise last week, the same way GameStop did, going and tripling and quadrupling its actual value, but also all in the same week, tanking again, back to some reasonable valuation of Dogecoin. Now, for those that are heavy into the cryptocurrency more than I am, there are still massive lovers of Dogecoin, and they want this almost cult-like cryptocurrency to succeed bigger than even Bitcoin. So I've even done some TikToks that I talk about Dogecoin, and I am getting a lot of comments about how it's rallying back, it's going back to the moon, it's going to triple again. It is incredible to see these social media platforms like TikTok, like Reddit, and so many others really make a massive impact on how people are now investing. And this is again why I want to make sure I record this video, because my intention isn't for you to get super risky or fall in love with any of these kind of risky cult-like investments. My intention here on this video is for you to actually play it safe, be consistent, and really, again, bet on the jockey, bet on what you know, and don't take these massive risks of things that seem to be cool at the time. Now, reports are out that people made a lot of money on both GameStop and Dogecoin. While that may be true, I'm not counting anyone's bank account at this very moment. There are also a lot of people who didn't, right? And so you only make money when you sell. So for all the hoopla that is out there for Dogecoin, for GameStop, and so many others, it actually only makes sense and you only win if you actually sell the cryptocurrency or the stock that you invested in. I personally don't invest for quick earnings. I'm not an investor who likes to flip stock, flip cryptocurrency. I'm in it for the longer play. I actually firmly believe in Tesla. I firmly believe in Bitcoin, Ethereum. I don't have a lot of altcoins that have this crazy, penny valuation that could turn into, 10 cents and 10x your investment. I love that. I love the concept, but you're essentially, investing in just like a theory, right? Hoping. And that's just not a strategy I'm willing to play. I invest in stock, I invest in cryptocurrency, I invest heavily into real estate, but I'm always very knowledgeable when I'm doing it. So with all the hoopla that's going on out there with Reddit, with Bitcoin, with Dogecoin, with GameStop, and now we have the Chinese, apparently, according to Yahoo Finance, who are really kind of betting on what stock and what cryptocurrency is going to be the next stock or crypto that actually goes through the roof based around these social media platforms. What I can tell you is the social media platform Reddit is making a massive, massive impact on this economy already. Like I mentioned, many have reaped the rewards of that, and then many haven't. I'm not one who has reaped the rewards of any of this. I have not a single penny in Dogecoin. I have not a single penny in GameStop, but it is entertaining to watch. It continues to disrupt our entire way of thinking, especially in the investing space. And it's something to behold and really pay attention to, because if this continues, the typical ways of investing, at least for myself, I have to re-engineer what I'm investing in, why I'm investing in it. By the way, if you like this video, if you think this is at least entertaining, if not pretty educational, smash that like button for me. I really appreciate it. Make sure you're subscribing as well. And if you are investing in real estate, make sure you head over to thescienceofflipping.com. It is my website where I have a ton of free giveaways. Head over to thescienceofflipping.com. With all this said, to wrap up on this video, guys, I really think if you stick to some of the fundamentals, you don't have to be as fundamentally sound as, let's just say, Mr. Warren Buffett, but I do like, as I've mentioned, to bet on the jockey, not the horse. I want the fundamentals of the business to be good and sound. I don't take a lot of risks. I'm not in a bunch of penny stocks. I go for what I believe is going to have the long-term upside, and I stick to them, and I keep trying to recreate what I'm looking at so that I can have bigger wins along the run. If you're out there flipping, if you're flipping cryptos, if you're flipping stocks, if you're out there taking shorts and gambling, I respect it. I love the hustle. It's not for me. I'm looking for more of the consistent wealth building over years, but I can appreciate the entrepreneur in everyone. This channel is all about entrepreneurship, business, and real estate. So hopefully you guys found this valuable. Like that video, make sure you're subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.